Top 10 Best New Amazing 2025 Sport Touring Motorcycles Worth to Wait. Calling all street fighters and adventure lovers, 2025 is going to be a banner year for sport touring motorcycles. Manufacturers are pulling out all the stops with exciting new models that promise the perfect combination of comfort, performance, and versatility. Get ready for wanderlust as we explore 10 great sport touring motorcycles that will take you on the open road in 2025. The BMW M1300 GS is said to be a high-performance variant of the BMW GS range, known for its adventure touring capabilities. It is likely to feature a larger displacement compared to current models like the R1250 GS and may come with improved performance and technology. Typical BMW traits like comfort, versatility, and strong off-road capabilities are likely to be retained. Engine, rumored to have a larger displacement compared to the current BMW GS models, likely around 1300 cc. Performance, expected to offer high performance suitable for adventure touring. Features, may come with advanced BMW electronics, ride modes, TFT displays, and ergonomic touring improvements. The Honda CB750 Hornet, also known as the Honda CB750F, is a popular naked sport bike. Known for its powerful inline-4 engine, the CB750 Hornet blends sport performance with everyday practicality. Features typically include aggressive styling, comfortable riding ergonomics, and Honda reliability. Engine, inline-4, exact displacement may vary by model year and model. Power, typically produces around 100 horsepower and offers strong acceleration and peak power. Features, naked sport bike design, comfortable riding position, reliable Honda engineering, and modern technology, where applicable. The Triumph Trident 660 is a mid-range naked motorcycle aimed at beginners and commuters. Powered by a 660cc inline-3 engine, it offers a good balance between power and fuel efficiency. Featuring a modern design, TFT display, ride-by-wire throttle control, and optional custom accessories. Engine, 660cc inline triple, liquid-cooled. Power, produces approximately 80 horsepower and offers a good balance of power and efficiency. Features, TFT display, ride-by-wire throttle control, multiple riding modes, ABS, traction control, and customizable optional accessories. The CFMoto 700 CLX Sport is a modern retro-styled motorcycle with sporting intentions. Featuring a 692cc inline twin engine, it offers a perfect combination of power and agility. Known for its unique design, which is inspired by classic motorcycles and incorporates modern technology and features. Engine, 692cc inline twin, liquid-cooled. Performance, produces approximately 74 horsepower and offers solid mid-range torque and agile handling. Features, modern retro design, LED lighting, digital instrumentation, ABS, and optional touring accessories. The Yamaha MT-07 Touring is likely a variant of the popular MT-07 naked bike adapted for touring. Known for its 689cc twin-cylinder engine, offering a lively performance and agile handling. Expected to feature touring-specific upgrades like comfortable seating, wind protection, and luggage options. Engine, 689cc inline twin, liquid-cooled. Power, produces around 74 horsepower, known for its smooth and responsive power delivery. Features, touring-specific upgrades such as enhanced comfort seats, windscreen, luggage options, and possibly heated grips. The Kawasaki Z650 GT is a sporty variant of the Z650 naked bike with touring capabilities. Powered by a 649cc parallel twin engine, offering a good balance of power and fuel efficiency. Features touring-oriented upgrades such as fairings for wind protection, comfortable ergonomics, and possibly luggage options. Engine: 649cc parallel twin, liquid-cooled. Power: offers approximately 68 horsepower, providing a good balance of power and efficiency. Features: fairing for wind protection, comfortable riding position, TFT display, ABS, and other modern conveniences. The Suzuki SV650X is a cafe racer variant of the popular SV650 naked bike. Powered by a 645cc V-twin engine, offering smooth power delivery and agile handling. Known for its classic cafe racer styling cues combined with modern features and technology. Engine: 645cc V-twin, liquid-cooled. Power: produces around 74 horsepower, known for its smooth power delivery and versatile performance. Features: cafe racer styling, clip-on handlebars, rear set foot pegs, ABS, and digital instrumentation. The Royal Enfield Continental GT is a cafe racer-style motorcycle known for its retro appeal. Powered by a 650cc parallel twin engine, offering a classic riding experience with modern reliability. Features classic cafe racer styling with clip-on handlebars, rear set foot pegs, and a sporty riding position. Engine: 648cc parallel twin, air-cooled. Power: produces around 47 horsepower, emphasizing classic styling and moderate performance suitable for everyday riding. Features: cafe racer design cues, clip-on handlebars, rear set foot pegs, ABS, and a vintage-inspired analog digital instrument cluster. The KTM 1290 Super Duke GT is a sport touring motorcycle based on the Super Duke R platform. Powered by a 1301cc V-twin engine, offering exceptional performance and handling characteristics. Known for its aggressive styling, advanced electronics, and comfortable touring features suitable for long-distance rides. Engine: 1301cc V-twin, liquid-cooled. Power: delivers approximately 175 horsepower, offering exhilarating performance with a focus on sport touring capabilities. Features: advanced electronics suite, lean-sensitive ABS, traction control, wheelie control, TFT display, adjustable suspension, cruise control, and ergonomic enhancements for long-distance comfort. The Ducati Multistrada V4 Rally is a rugged variant of the Multistrada V4 adventure touring bike. Likely features off-road focused upgrades such as longer suspension travel, spoked wheels, and protective accessories. Powered by Ducati's potent V4 engine, offering high performance both on and off the road. Engine: 1158cc V4, liquid-cooled. Power: produces approximately 170 horsepower, offering robust performance for both on-road and off-road riding. Features: long travel suspension, spoked wheels, advanced electronics, riding modes, cornering ABS, traction control, TFT display, and ergonomic enhancements for off-road adventures.